Open the ISS application in your device. Go to Schedule section, scroll to Schedule 2 and click Start Schedule. The page for Schedule 2 is displayed. Select the survey year and season using the respective drop-down menus. These are the selected villages and urban wards for the survey in the selected year and selected season. The user has to click on Village to display the selected villages. Similarly, click on Urban Ward to display the selected urban wards. Please note, on this list, some villages and urban wards would be displayed in blue color, denoting that they are selected for detailed survey. Also note that Proceed button will be visible only for the villages or urban wards in which the data collection is pending. When the same is marked as complete, the Proceed button will be replaced by Done. The overall status displays an overview of the survey status, total number of villages or urban wards selected in this year, total number of selected villages or urban wards for this season, number of villages or urban wards surveyed till now for this season. After selecting the year and season, click on Proceed, placed next to the desired village or urban ward to start Schedule 2. The Schedule 2 survey form for the particular village or urban ward will show the following information. Mark schedule complete. Once all the households or enterprises or butcher shops have been listed, click Mark Schedule Complete. Please note, once a schedule is marked as complete, no changes can be done. In the Summary section, summary of total number of households, enterprises, and the number of households for each commodity that had been added will be shown. Below, list of added households or enterprises will be displayed. To add new household or enterprise, click Add. Select the type of household. Click on Household or Enterprise or Butcher Shop to denote the type of household. Next, provide household number, household owner name, household address with PIN code. Click Get Location to capture the current location. Enter household contact number. After adding all the details, click on Save. The data is added successfully. Now the added household or enterprise is displayed on the household or enterprise list. Now click on arrow to collect detailed information of the household just added. This form is divided into 3 sections: Block 1, Block 2 and Summary. Block 1 is general information about selected village or urban ward. Details like household owner name, contact number, period of survey, state name, district name, block name, sector, census code, subsample number will be displayed. There is no need to enter any information in this block. After verifying the details, click on Next to switch to Block 2. In Block 2, the enumerator will provide the particulars of each of the animals found in the household or enterprise. Select the commodity type and click on Add Animal. For animal selection, click See Options. To select animal, click Select. To update selection, if required, click on Change Selection. A pop-up will be displayed showing the available options. On the pop-up window, click the select next to the desired option. This will close the pop-up and the selected option will be displayed. For group selection, click See Options. Click Select. Select the gender. Select the age. For production category selection, click See Options. Click Select. Enter number of animals slaughtered in last 4 months. After completing all the above entries, click on Add Data. When the data is successfully added, an information pop-up will be displayed showing a message, Data added successfully. Click anywhere outside the pop-up to close this window. Now repeat the same step for each commodity found in the house. The Block 2 page will display a list of animal records for each of which information values are to be entered. To update the animal record, click Update. This will allow the user to change the values, number of animals, or number of animals slaughtered in last 4 months. To delete the animal record, click Delete. After entering all the details, the user can click on Next to save the entries, upon which the summary will be displayed. After verifying summary related to all the commodities, click on Next to save the entries. This will display an information pop-up asking for confirmation about saving the entries. Click Confirm to save the entries, else click Cancel to add or edit entries. Please note, all these steps are to be repeated for each household. After all the households or enterprises or butcher shops for this schedule have been canvassed, click on Mark Schedule Complete. An information pop-up will display the number of selected surveyed household and will ask for a confirmation for marking it as complete. Go to the Home section. Verify year and season. Now click on Village for displaying all the available villages, or click on Urban wards for urban wards. On the village or urban ward list, some entries are highlighted in blue color. These villages or urban wards are selected for detailed survey. Click on Draw Sample shown against the village or urban ward. Now click Draw Sample. Similarly, same steps will be followed in order to fill the data for remaining villages and urban wards and draw the sample. This is the end of Schedule 2.